Some gon' tell you one thing, but I'm gon' tell you different. I wasn't born a rapper and I never was a singer. Everything I know I picked up along the road. Working hour after hour, man, I never let it go. I never was the best, man, I wasn't even close. I never had girls running everywhere I go. I'm telling you this just to let you know that I believe it's all within us. Reach to where it's at. It don't have to be miracles. Oh, the fire's within our souls. You don't have to be big and tall. Oh, just stand up and hold your own. So we say on the field is what he's been dreaming of. So never stop evolving even though you know you're blessed. Make sure that your next day will always be your best. Oh, it's not a magic trick that'll get you there. The only miracle cure is blood, sweat and tears. The road is rocky but don't ever go astray. You will bring home a trophy if you walk it all the way. It don't have to be miracles. Oh, the fire's within our soul. You don't have to be big and tall. Oh, just stand up and hold your own.